Alright guys, we got a package here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Don't have the tripod, so this is just going to be really quick. I'm going to hide this for a second. It don't look like there's anything. No. Aha, here we go. We got a scanner here. Uniden BC125AT scanner, which I can use to go rail fanning. So this is really cool. That's really neat. Really neat. Alright, and that's really all that I have for you guys. I mean, I guess we could open it up though. We could do that. This will be something I can use to go rail fanning with. Take it out and listen into the railroad as they talk. And hopefully it'll help me get more opportunity to film these. Sure it will though. There it is. So that's the scanner right there. And there's the batteries that it comes with. And the antenna right here too. There's the antenna, which I have an antenna that I will be putting on it. There's the owner's manual, so there you guys go. That is unboxing the Uniden portable scanner. So that will be it.